Hello mga B, dinala ako ni John sa dagat para sa isang biglaang celebration. Simple and quiet, exactly how I like it. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Quinoa, pinakbet, adobong pork chicken, ginataang fish. Oh my God.
Nagpaluto siya sa bahay nila ng konting pang dinner namin. And small gestures like that mean a lot to me. Pero alam mo yung feeling na kahit masaya ka, parang ordinaryong araw na lang talaga yung birthday mo kasi nagkakaedad ka na and life's getting in the way.
Thank you, Tita Bioli.
Wala rin kasi akong solid na plano for my actual birthday dahil sobrang busy ko din sa trabaho at pag-aaral. Kaya this year, di na lang ako magse-celebrate. While enjoying the food, I couldn't help but think sana nandito sina Camille at Val. Parang ang saya siguro kung kasama ko sila. Pero since wala naman talaga akong balak mag-party at umeffort, hindi ko na rin sila naimbita. At isa pa, wala din kasi ito sa plano.
Hi, Jeffley Rebron. Happy 28th birthday. I hope na 28 yung gamin gano 38. Honest na kami. So nga hawanan ng tuloy.
And masyado nang late to invite them. Ayaw pa man din nila ng late notice.
Game, agsala ka at agkanta na. Hush! Don't speak!
Pero apparently, Camille and Val weren't skipping my birthday after all. Medyo late lang sila because they were planning a surprise. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Mommy! Happy birthday to you! Nagvi-video lang kami ni John sa may beach para may pang stories. Hanggang sa bigla na lang may sumigaw ng, "Hello mga B!" Napalingon ako at yun na nga sila. Akala ko kung sino na yung sumisigaw. Sobrang gulat ko talaga as in. I've always been the type of person who makes a big deal out of my friend's birthday but never really cared much about my own. Hindi sa hindi ko gusto i-celebrate yung birthday ko ha, pero mas nag-e-enjoy lang ako celebrating other people's special days. I guess that's just how I am. Pero this year, na-realize ko kung gaano kasarap sa pakiramdam pag ikaw naman yung sinusurprise at pinapahalagahan. I'm incredibly grateful for the life I've been given and for the family and friends I get to share it with. Ang sarap isipin na kahit anong mangyari, meron kang mga taong nandyan para sa'yo. For more than 3 decades, I've navigated life searching for my true place under the sun. And now, as I near my 4th decade, I can finally say things are looking up. Ang dami kong pinagdaanan, pero nandito pa rin ako at mas matibay kaysa dati because of the people I call my tribe. This is the kind of wealth that I want. Ito yung klase ng yaman na gusto ko. Hindi yaman sa pera, hindi engranding selebrasyon, just the warmth of the people genuinely caring and celebrating my existence, no matter how simple the table is. Kasi sa totoo lang, yun naman talaga ang mahalaga. At dahil dun, lubos akong nagpapasalamat for another year. Salamat pala sa mga birthday greetings. Yun lang.